As you can see, this is my old keyboard and it is very dirty and it needs a deep cleaning. So let's begin. Now we open the dishwasher and we place the keyboard on the top rack. Make sure to put it this way so the water can circulate evenly throughout all the keys. I use the Cascade powder detergent for all my dishes, so I'll be using this for my keyboard too. I use about a tablespoon of this detergent, but you don't have to use exactly like this, just whatever amount you think is right. Place it in the designed place, close it, and close the dishwasher. The cycle that I use is normal, and make sure you do not use heat dry or any type of high temperature wash, and then just press start. It will take about 1 hour for my washing machine, but this will vary depending on what type of washing machine that you have, so do it accordingly to your washing machine. Now that the cycle has finished, I'm going to open my dishwasher and take out my keyboard. As you can see, the keyboard is wet, but the dishwasher had cleaned it very well. Now I will tap the water out so all the excess water drips out. Now I have taken the keyboard out of my dishwasher and I'm gonna place just a dry towel onto the table, and taking my keyboard, face it downward onto the towel. I'm gonna let this rest here for about 3 to 4 days until all the water drips out and it is dry. After drying for 4 days, my keyboard is now completely dry. Under light, my keyboard looks clean, it looks brand new, it looks amazing. My dishwasher did a great job of cleaning it. Now, let's see if it works. Now, let's type. It works!